paint on the cage dried overnight and it honestly looks insanely good. So I am gonna stick with this gray color. Like I said, it's just a basic Rust-Oleum gloss color, and we didn't wet sand the primer, and I feel like you might be able to tell a little bit, but it's really not that big of a deal. I think it looks really good. So now we can take off all of this paper that we used to like mask off the front part of the car and then remask it off so then we can paint the rest of the cage, like the door bars, the back part, and I'll probably have to take that firewall out just because it'll be hard to get to some areas. But it's gonna be a struggle painting all of this, especially because there is still some wires in the car. But I did talk to Carlos and he said he is gonna be rewiring my car next weekend. So I need to order all the supplies and everything like today or tomorrow, so then it's here for him. And then like my whole goal with the FD now is just to make it super, super nice and to where I don't have to redo stuff anymore, because this car has always been like a put it back together for now just so it works so I can make it to an event during like the Pro-Am season. But this year I am gonna be doing mostly demo events and those don't start for a few more months. So I have a little bit of time, but it's like super late in the day. Jason and I stayed up too late last night, and good thing we got some Starbucks. If you guys haven't tried the caramel brulee already, it's like the best thing. It's like one of those seasonal drinks and it's seriously insanely good. Right now, we're just taping off the seams on the door right here, so then when we put the paper down, we for sure won't get any overspray on the wrap or on the door jamb on the inside. And then I have this door almost all taped off. I need to get a little piece of the fender over there, and then this back piece of the door. And then I'm probably just gonna lay like big sheets over the back right here, just to be extra, extra safe that no paint ends up getting on the outside of the car. And then your boy Cuevo over here is getting this door and these door jambs over here, but he's using this is like some tape that I had left over from another project, and it's absolute trash. It seriously sucks. So we might have to buy some more tape because I'm starting to run out of my roll. I am so happy with the way this is turning out. Like everything is all taped off over here now. I am gonna put another piece back here just to be safe, and I need to tape off that whole hatch back there for the spray that's gonna come up. I still need to take that firewall out, but I like got perfectly around all of these seams and then double layered it with tape again, because obviously I'm gonna be spraying right on the edge of that and I don't wanna get any overspray on it. And then you guys already saw the door is looking good. And let's see how Jason's doing.
You started before me.
Yeah, I started like probably 20, 25 minutes before him, but he got all the seams done in here. You can see this tape just really, really sucks, but it is working. And then he has all around here done and the door. Still need to get that front fender a little bit up there, and then same thing, this back fender over here. This is just like a really time-consuming thing, and it's hard to make the vlog fun when I'm just taping stuff off and gonna be painting it, but I'll try my best. This side of the car is definitely coming together. I have everything all taped off on the outside and the inside. I started using duct tape because I was running out of the blue tape, and the duct tape sticks better to like a dirty surface, so that's why I have that down there. But I can still paint the base plates over there, and then the back, like the ECU and everything's all covered up. And then I have this wiring over here all covered up also. I need to take that firewall out though so I can get everything all the way back, because I can't even get to those tubes with that firewall there. Jason, let's have a little update on Jason.
It's not bad.
How's it coming?
It's not bad, dude. I'm doing pretty good.
Screech?
Everything, Matt?
What?
No.
Yeah?
No.
But yeah, no, it's actually, his side is tucked a lot better than mine, but obviously I started before him like he said, but it's, okay, well,
leave it open.
Okay.
You're not gonna close the door when you're painting the door bars.
No, that's true. I might want to just start using duct tape on that, because that is completely
Yeah, it's pretty
shitty. we'll patch that over with some duct tape, no big deal. But yeah, his side's getting pretty close to done, and then we'll just have to throw a couple more sheets of paper over here, and then it will be finally ready to paint. I don't know if it's just me, but I personally really like the smell of spray paint. It's like super sweet and smells like candy. But we have everything taped off now. It's finally coming together. I need to do a little bit more taping back here so I can get these, like all these bars back here, like lay some paper over the fuel cell and those fuel lines right there. But Jason started painting the anti-intrusion bars down there, and he's gonna be doing this side of the cage, like the door bars and everything. And like I said, I'm gonna finish taping off this stuff so then I can start painting all the rest of the stuff back here. It's gonna be really hard to get to some of these tubes though, just because of the angle and everything, but I'm gonna try my best. I'm definitely gonna be doing a couple of coats. Taped up, definitely not the best, but it'll be good enough to work. It's gonna be so hard getting this tube under here just because of the angle, and like I can't really do anything about where that paper is because there's those fuel lines under there and they're not very flexible. So it's gonna be hard, but I'm gonna try my best. Now I get to finally paint, which is my favorite part. I hate all this masking stuff, so I'm really excited to finally actually be able to spray the cage. Oh my God, this gray looks so good.
I want to do my cage that color when I get one.
Seriously looks insanely good. Like with the door bars being painted now, obviously I'm gonna do a few more coats on it, but like, dude.
Looks so good.
Insane. I'm super hyped on it.
Especially with the black car.
Yeah, when like you obviously can't really tell because there's this brown shit on it, but you kind of see the black right there. It's gonna look so sick. We were about to start spraying the rear end, but then I remembered that this window wasn't covered. So we're gonna cover the rest of this fender really quick and probably just lay something over the lights. And then even though paint shouldn't come back here at all, but just to be extra safe, and then we're gonna tape off that window. Okay, now we're ready to go. So we just got done painting this back half of the cage and it's coming along super nice. You can see with the paint or with the light that it has like a super nice gloss to it. And obviously it's gonna be a couple more coats, so it will be more glossy than that. And then it's just crazy like how good this color I feel like looks with the car. And part of the reason I wanted to go with this color was because it's the same as my rear end. So now everything will match on the inside of the chassis. My favorite angle of the car has to be this one right here where you can see the door bars, the gussets. I went ahead and put another layer of paint on the gussets, so that's just extra glossy now. And I think we're pretty much done for tonight. We need to let the paint dry. Obviously, we don't want it to drip. There was a couple little spots where it dripped, and but it's fine because nobody's gonna see them. I'll probably just like sand them down a little bit and then just like go over it again. But like I said, I'm like blown away with how good it looks. So the car is really coming together. There's a lot of stuff that I am gonna be doing to the car that's gonna make it extra, extra cool that I'm not gonna tell you guys about yet, but I'm sure you'll love it. It's just, the car is really gonna be completely different than what it was before. Before I just worried about driving it and that's all I really cared about, but now I want it to be something that I like have so much time into that I just like, I don't know, love it even more than I already did. I just want to take a quick second and say thank you guys so much for subscribing. If you haven't already, please subscribe to follow me through the adventures of building the FD and the FC. It's gonna be amazing. This year is gonna be absolutely insane, the plans that I have going. I've really enjoyed like vlogging lately with Jason. It's been super fun. You guys have all really enjoyed it. And the people that have newly subscribed or people that have subscribed a long time ago, I seriously do appreciate you so much and thank you so much for doing that. Show some love down in the comments below. Let me know when you guys subscribed and what your favorite part of the vlogs are, what car you wanna see next. I love hearing feedback from you guys. I just love creating content for people to enjoy on stuff that I'm gonna do regardless. So it's really cool to be able to show you guys everything that I'm doing and hopefully inspire you to build your car or just to have fun and do whatever you want in life. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.